Hey guys, it's Money Mindset here and welcome back to another video. Today's video is a new series actually, and I'm going to be naming the series Road to 10K. What I'm going to do in this series is show you guys that anyone can make it to £10,000 within a year on trading. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So my friend told me about this funding program, and they're called the Fivers. And what they do is they help traders get funded. So we're just gonna have a look at their website. Yep. So we're just gonna have a look at their website, and they have different programs and journeys for you to do. So they've got the hyper growth, a high stakes, and a boot camp. We're gonna have a look at the high stakes today. And it's a $39 account. You just have to pay $39, and then once you've done that, you get a 5K trading account to trade with. There are some drawbacks, which means you can only lose daily 5% of what you've made. You can't go over that limit, otherwise they just terminate your account and you don't get that account. But apart from that, it should be quite easy to pass. I've passed it step 1 myself, and I'm currently on step 2, and I'm going to be showing you my trades of how I passed step 1, and then in the future for episodes 2, 3 and 4 and all that stuff, I'm going to be showing you live trading opportunities that we could take together. So we're just going to have a look at the information on this account and how I did manage to pass. We can see that the total profit is 486, which took us to the target. It was in a short space of time. We've got from my first trade on December the 4th to my last trade on December the 12th, which is just over a week to pass the account. We can see that I've taken 26 trades, but that's not exactly true. I took more, about 4 trades. However, I do like to open multiple positions during my trade so I can trail my target profits and trail stop losses and get in and out of what position I need to. We can see that our biggest win was roughly about 150, but altogether with the gold trade, we can see that it's 150 times by 4. And then one of my biggest losses would be the what does it say? One of my biggest losses was on the first day actually, where I took a Australian trade, and I've minus £50 there. That was on the first day. But as you can see, overall the win rate was about 46%, which is very, very good. You want to be aiming for about 50% to about 60%, and I'm just below that. And overall, that's how I passed stage 1. So we're just going to have a look at some of the big trades, like the gold trades here, that made me $80, and then also the gold trade that made me 150. We're just going to take a look at those, and then we may just have a look at some of the losses as well, just to see what went wrong and how we can improve for next time. So we're now on to my favorite part of the video, where we do the trading analysis of why I took the 2 trades. And I took these trades on gold because it's one of my favorite pairs. That's because the price movement is always fluctuating, which means greater profit. But then again, it also means that we can easily hit stop losses. However, these are the 2 winning trades that we took. First off, let's have a look at the £80 trade. This one here was the £80 trade. And the reason why I took this trade is because we are currently in a downtrend. And as we can just see here, we have a change in structure. Let me just show you guys about here. It broke and it changed into a different structure down here to go short. And then again, just for further confirmation, as we look on further back in time and we get our retracement scale, we can see here at the top, this is the highest price went, here's the low, draw it all over across, and we can see that it taps into our zone here, taps this line, so that means it's doing its pullback. It's just done its pullback. This is the pullback here. It's done its pullback, so we're looking to go down even past this area here, the lowest point. However, as you can see here, it didn't quite reach that level, but because it's such a big time frame, we were able to tap back into this point here, which means ultimately we did have a winning trade. And then for this one, which is the bigger win here, the £150 win, which is basically like double this win here. For this one, the reason why I took this is because overall we can see we are in a downtrend, the downtrend here, and then it produces us with loads of levels of resistance here. As we can see, we've tapped into this zone about 5, 6, several times, and as soon as we jump past here, there's a break in structure, and now we're into this uptrend that we're doing, an uptrend, a nice uptrend. And because of the break in structure here, we're no longer following the downtrend. And after a break in structure, there's always going to be, or most likely, a retracement back to a key level, and this is our key level here. So anything, if it bounces off this and goes higher, we should be in for a trend, an uptrend, and it did. So that's why I'm in here. And then we can target anything up to about this level, this point. And that's what I should have done, really. I should have stuck it out until there. And that would have been a nice risk to reward ratio of 4.24, which is very nice. However, we did end the trade about here, which is also very good, 2.2. So let's have a look at this loss that I had. It was on the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. So this is the loss right here. As you can see, actually, it should have been a win. I should have actually won. However, I did hit my stop loss and I didn't target it properly. And that's why I took a loss right here. But if I had just done it properly and gone above, we would have won. And it would have continued to go down. Even target about here. Sorry. The reason why I took this trade is because you can clearly see we are in this downtrend, with the lower lows and the lower highs being formed here. We're in this downtrend. And when we get to this point here, we can see that we've formed another lower low. So we are going in to here, and we are going into this level, but it didn't form a higher high. So anything, we are still in this as a downtrend, a bearish momentum. And I looked into a smaller time frame and I used a few indicators and they told me to go in for a sell. So I did go in for a sell, but unfortunately we just got stopped out here. What I should have done is I should have waited a little bit longer and then get in at that point. And then it would have hit our TP around here, target profit about here. But they're the 3 trades that I took. The 2 winners on gold, and then this one is a loss, unfortunately. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you like it. And turn on that notification bell so that when I drop a video, You guys won't miss it. And anyway, stay updated for live signals, and let me know if you like this format. Let me know if you like this type of series, and I'll just do more videos in the future. So that is Money Mindset over and out. Peace.